Apostle will hear of this.
Bad market.
Continue.
Anyway, I know I don't die, so I must die.
Hey!
I just use the opportunity to tell about snitch technology. In they buy Bitcoin, they buy iTunes card, they buy gift card, any kind of card. Very fast and reliable. You know, before you could do it, it does sound at the money.
Actually, they talk so.
They do very fast. So I bet me not carry that dead body go meet my mama.
You only
I like my mama well.